Hello students, welcome to Grade 5 Online Distance Learning. Our topic for this week is filling out forms. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to distinguish among forms, kinds, and descriptions. Fill out form accurately. The school forms, deposit, and withdrawal slips. Let us review Learning Task 2. You are going to answer it orally. Are you ready? 1. What do you call the process by which an individual needs to fill out and supply requested information correctly and accurately on the space provided? The correct answer is filling out forms. Good job! 2. It refers to the card issued by a librarian to individuals or organizations, entitling them or their representatives to borrow materials. The correct answer is library card. Very good. 3. It is the particulars of a place where someone lives or an organization is situated. The correct answer is address. Very good. 4. What is a printed piece of paper used in bank to withdraw money and cash from one's account? The correct answer is withdrawal slip. Good job! 5. To fill out forms accurately, the following are things to remember except 1. A. See whether to write using capital letters or not. B. Look whether you have to write first your last name or your first name. C. See whether you need to write only your middle initial or your middle name. D. No need to write NA or not applicable if it does not apply to you. The correct answer is D. No need to write NA or not applicable if it does not apply to you. 6. It is a small paper form that a bank customer includes when depositing funds into a bank account. The correct answer is deposit slip. 7. This application is filled out when a learner wants to join a specific club, like English club, math club, or others. The correct answer is co-curricular application form. 8. It is the detailed information about a learner. This form is usually filled out during enrollment period. The correct answer is admission form. Very good. 9. It is the face value of a banknote, coin, or postage stamp. The correct answer is denomination. Correct. 10. It refers to your surname or family name. The answer is last name. Good job! focus for this week is about withdrawal slip and deposit slip. Withdrawal slip is a printed piece of paper used in a bank to withdraw a money in cash from one's account. Denomination is the face value of a banknote, coin, or postage stamps. For example, we have here a 100 peso bill, a 10 peso coin, and postage stamps. Next is deposit slip. Deposit slip is a paper or form by a bank for a depositor to fill out for deposit transaction. If the person wants to save money, he is going to fill out form like deposit slip. Let's have learning task 8. Are you ready to answer it? You're going to answer it with me. I'm going to guide you. You're going to answer the following in your notebook. Ready. This is an example of cash deposit slip in Ethan and Joy's savings account located at Barangay Aplaya, Santa Rosa City, Laguna. You're going to write the date today. Next, put check mark to the space provided if your account type is current or savings account. You're going to write also your full name. Next is your account number. Check this if your money is in dollar, peso, or check. For example, you want to save 1,500 pesos on your account with 1,500 banknote or bill. How are you going to write it? On this part, how are you going to write it in pieces? On this part, write it in total by banknote or bill. Below, you're going to write the money you want to save and write it here. You're going to write the total amount or the sum up of all the money you want to deposit. This is my example of how I'm going to answer the cash deposit slip. On this part, I wrote October 12, 2020. My name, Juan B. de la Cruz. Account number 1012-5565-876000. Next, I put check mark on savings because my money is in peso bill. I put check on peso. On the denomination part, because I have 1,500 peso and I have 1,000 peso bill, also a 500 peso bill, I wrote it 1,000 and 500 in denomination. I also write 1 piece for 1,000, 1 piece for 500. I wrote 1,000 as the total amount, 500. Below, I wrote the total amount I want to deposit, that is 1,500 pesos. Did you get it? Do you have correct answers? Wow, good job! Let's move on to second learning task. We have the learning task 10. In your notebook, copy and complete the withdrawal slip below using the given information. The information are Juan de la Cruz, the name, 20,000 pesos. The money, August 24, 2020 is the date. 20,000 pesos is the money in words. 23045233318 is the bank number or bank account number. Are you done? Wow, good job. You are going to pass that on your teacher. Just remember, forms are useful tools in our community. They are used to gather information from individuals. In filling out forms, one should be very careful by following the instructions and providing accurate information. In gathering information, the collecting group or office should be very careful in keeping those information and use them appropriately. Also, remember that supplying information in forms is necessary, but keep in mind that you should be careful when and where to supply them. Be cautious, especially when you fill out online forms. That's all. Thank you for watching.